Remind 101 is a great technology to help teachers stay in contact with students and parents without giving out any of their information or having to receive texts back from actual students. So it's pretty simple. You would actually choose Get Started in the upper right hand corner. For me, I can just sign in. Once you're signed in, it's pretty simple. You will just set up your classes. I have 3 classes set up for what I have this year. And then over here on the right hand side, if I click View, it shows exactly how what your students need to do to sign in to Remind 101. They just enter the number that's shown, they type in the text message, and they just do the rest. They'll get a message asking for their name, so if they give their appropriate name, that would be awesome. And then from there on out, you can easily text them a message reminding them about a quiz, test, homework, or you can even send them videos or articles to read, and you can use Remind 101 to flip your classroom. And then when they come in the next day, you can have a conversation of what they watched or read at home. So check it out, Remind 101. It's pretty cool software. Another great application I'd like to show you today would be Google Sites, which once you've logged into our Dryden domain using your email address, and for a lot of you, your initial password will be capital P, password 1. And once you get logged in, you'll have to change it. But once you log in, you'll come up to a screen somewhat like this. Mine's a bit different. If you go up to the top left corner and click on Calendar, everyone has a calendar that they can actually share with each other. On mine, I have the transition team, the technology mentors, but this is what it looks like. As I click them off, like so, now this is my Dryden school calendar. This is exactly what it looks like as I go through it. I have faculty meetings and department meetings set up, but I can also share this with anyone I'd like. So when I go to the left-hand side and I choose Share This Calendar, I can then down here where it says Share with Specific People, I can enter an email address and it will automatically populate on their calendar. So if your department has important dates coming up, you can create a calendar, you can share it with each other, and then everyone can see what they're doing and make sure they're not overlapping meetings. From the calendar, you can also, when you set up an event, you can edit your event. In here, if you put a location of where it's going to be, your guests will actually have a map that pops up. You can change the color. You can add an attachment. So for me, if I was going to choose an attachment that's in my Google Drive, it would automatically share with everyone. So if I wanted them to read or I wanted to share something before the meeting, they could read it beforehand. And then there's also an option for having a video call. So if you're at home and you want to talk about something, everybody can come together from different locations and you can check it out. But simply, I would say start using the calendar, give it a shot. It's very simple to use, very easy, user-friendly, and you can always check with a tech mentor if you're struggling with it. Thanks.